Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. I'm just gonna start off today and be brutally honest. Today was really rough. Really reminded me of when I used to work at an older company several years ago. It just reminded me how much I hated that. Basically, one of the foremen was gone or whatever, so there was another guy in charge, and didn't really feel like I meshed very well with him. I guess you could say just the way, I don't know if just the way that the guy is, or the way that I took some stuff, or what he said, the way that I took it. But I basically just ended up feeling pretty useless today and just felt like crap, and just everything I did was wrong, and nothing was really working for me. So I know these days come every once in a while, but it just really reminded me how much I want to get out of the field sometimes. But anyways, I made it through the day. Hopefully tomorrow goes a lot better. I was gonna leave early at like 2:30 or something, but I ended up staying an extra hour just because I was getting nothing done and I didn't want to look like I did nothing today. So basically I ran out of parts or whatever. They didn't have the parts I need to keep working, so basically I left early. I was gonna leave early like I said anyways, but they didn't have the parts for me to keep working, so they'll have to get those tomorrow, so I basically just left. But basically working longer hours just kind of really puts me in a bad mood. Recently, like the end of last year, it was fine. I was working tons, but I don't know, like right now I just really don't want to work overtime. It just, I don't know, it just puts me in a really bad mood for some reason. But anyways, I worked on some stuff today. I'll get to that before I just keep complaining all day. So I was finished up that pipe going up the ceiling from yesterday, and then ran some temporary MC outside in the rain, so that's exciting. So basically powered up the mini split unit air conditioner wall thing. So basically did that, and then ran some 1-inch pipe across the ceiling, started on that, and basically that was my whole entire day for 9 hours. So basically I was working, or the guy in charge was basically trying to tell me what to do and how to do it and all this stuff, and basically I know what I'm doing, but the way that he explains things, he doesn't tell you exactly how he wants it done. So I'm basically supposed to read his mind, and then by the time I do it, he says, oh, he doesn't like the way that I did it because he didn't tell me how specifically he wants me to do it. So basically it is what it is, but I guess it's a miscommunication on both of our parts, I guess. I mean, sometimes, I do ask a lot of questions because I do want to do things right, because like I said, at my old company, they would literally cuss me out for everything. Not just me, but like everyone at the company. Like the boss would just cuss out everyone every day, like dozens of times. So that kind of put me in a mindset of like, I really don't want to mess up ever again, so I'm going to ask 100 questions to get this right. So basically I was asking questions and stuff, and basically I just decided to start working because I was literally getting nothing done because we were just talking about it so much. So I started doing things, and then basically he was trying to argue with me, saying that whatever, like I was just trying to like 90 into a box on the ceiling, and he's looking from the ground and saying, oh, why don't you just 90 into the box? I was like, well, I just tried that for like the last 15 minutes, like. And then by the time he's like, okay, let's go up in the lift and look at it. So I was like, okay, perfect, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. By the time we get up there, he sees exactly what I'm talking about. And so basically he just wasn't believing anything I was saying, and it was just kind of made it really rough, kind of rubbed me the wrong way, I guess. But anyways, I'm heading to the store. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to hear me complain all day, but this is what it is sometimes. It's not always going to be just videos or pictures or whatever. I mean, there's pictures coming, but sometimes it's just really rough, and you just, I'm not going to just say every day is great as an electrician, but this was a really rough one for me, and I didn't really like it at all. And so I'm probably going to be taking the whole next week off. I was going to wait another week to take it off, but I'm about to have a mental breakdown, so probably going to work tomorrow even though I don't want to. And then I'm going to go on a weekend trip with my friends, and then I'll probably just take the whole week off because I need to get some stuff done as well. I need to get my car looked at. install my air filter on my car and all this other stuff that no one cares about right now because they're here for electrical videos. But anyways, I'll show you guys the pictures, but it's just a really rough day, and it was really long, and only took like one break instead of two. I don't know. So anyways, that's what it is, and I'll show you guys the pictures. So hopefully thanks for putting up with me for 5 minutes, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. But it was really hard and makes me not want to do electrical after today. But anyways, yeah, so anyways, I'll just leave it at that, and have a great rest of your day, guys. God bless, and I will see you back here for tomorrow, and hope you guys have a great rest of the day. If you want to support the channel, I appreciate everyone dropping the likes and subscribing. Just appreciate the support. It really goes a long way. And if you want to help me out, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I upload videos or live stream, hit the notification bell only if you want to. And yeah, social media's in the description below and all that good stuff. Thanks so much, guys, for putting up with me. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Later.